So I love Karma because really this year she definitely helped me heal.
I feel more confident in myself, in my body.
This is my second class ever of dance. I told my friend that I had a spiritual experience during that class, and I think it has everything to do with Karma, how accepting she was.
A journey that I started with Karma up until this very day was to understand who I am in my tribe.
The one thing she emphasizes is love, movement, and acceptance.
I came in thinking that this was learning choreography, but it was more so learning more about myself, stepping into my sexuality and my sensuality as a woman. Karma has definitely helped with that.
I wish every woman in my life could be a part of Sensuality and experience Karma, the absolute hug that is walking into Karma's space. The support is out of this world. If you ever want to feel loved and supported, be in this space, be with these women.
I really feel like I was able to tap into my authentic self, my true self.
She said, Jennifer, you need to bring that talent out that's been inside you. She brought something in me that I was scared to bring back.
I do feel more confident in myself, in my body. I can come to class and she'll pour into me and I leave feeling a million times better.
I've been taking sensuality classes with Karma. It was something I just had on my radar for a while, and I showed up and my mind was blown. Pure love like I have never ever experienced before.
She's a leader for me. She's inspired me to take that place where I belong.
First of all, just meeting Karma was a blessing in itself. When I came to the first sensuality workshop, it was a life-changing experience then. She reminded us that it's okay to want to express yourself and to step fully into your power as a woman and to be unashamed and unapologetic for it.
Over the past year taking sensuality, it's definitely brought me a long ways with my body freedom. I was definitely a lot more closed in. I didn't really want to show my body. And over the past year, I've evolved into this person who's confident, just completely step into the self-love.
Karma's opening up something, I can't describe it yet, but she's opening up something new in me, and I thank her so much for that.
And I just love the way that she leads and she guides us.
They're gonna support you on the side when you're out there on the floor.
It's opened me up more as a mom, as a wife, and just as a woman. That safe space for me to just open up along with other women who share similar interests, similar stories, similar struggles.
We'll keep going. I'm super excited to see what's to come.
And it's also like a full experience.
Thank you, girl. I'll get my sexy back. What just to say? Bring your sexy back.
I don't even have words sometimes after being in this space. Is just pure joy. The end.